The University of Arizona is one of the outstanding environmental universities. We have world-class scientists and world-class graduate students. So we set up the Carson program to support excellent graduate students in their work, but also to create an interdisciplinary network of environmental scholars and to help them with their communication skills.
Thanks to the Carson Scholarship, I am really aware of the broader impacts of my work. I'm studying large earthquakes and how often they occur and their impact on the landscape along the coast of Cascadia. I am always asking myself how I might connect my science to different types of groups, and importantly, why does my research matter?
Carson program has a transformative influence in my own way of thinking and also my career. I had the opportunity to interact and work with local farmers in coastal Bangladesh. This is a really climate vulnerable region. My Carson training and science communication came to play. Later, I actually heard from my colleagues that they really enjoyed the way I actually explained the details of my research in a very simplified way. So everyone was very engaged.
The Scholars Program was probably the most important thing and the most impactful thing that I did at the university. It kind of transformed my whole way of thinking about how I do my research and how I communicate my research to the general public, to my family, to my friends.
The Carson Scholars Program really gave a lot of tools and opportunities for reflection to understand where are the areas that you can be more succinct. The instructors and the mentors, they empower you to really have control over your message.
I did my Carson program kind of at a pretty pivotal point in my career. I had just started law school and I was still trying to figure out how to really combine what I was doing as a scientist and what I was learning as a law student. More than anything, it helped me kind of conceptually bring those two disparate fields together and to really think about how I was sharing what I'm learning from one field to the other.
One of the strongest characteristics of the University of Arizona is the interdisciplinary approach to topics of environmental and social relationships. For me, the Carson experience means that we are doing a little bit more towards advancing access to information for environmental decision making.
If I look back over the cohorts, they're an amazing group of people. Many of them have gone on to academic positions or positions in government, even starting their own nonprofits. It's a very diverse group, and I'm very proud of that. And I'm very glad that a diverse group of students thinks it worthwhile to apply for the program and to succeed.